Okay, golden rule of computer science and golden rule of computer ethics. So, yung golden rule of computer science, kung mapo-formalize yung rules. If rules could be formalized, computers can apply them for us. So, ibig sabihin, pumapasok rito yung AI. Kasi yung rules, pag na-formalize, pwede nang i-apply ng AI yung rules para sa atin. Okay? Pag sinabi mo namang golden rule of computer ethics, sino yung kung gusto mong i-treat ka ng maayos, i-treat mo ng iba yung maayos. So, kagaya rin ng golden rule yung golden rule of computer ethics. Ibig sabihin, may respect ka sa intellectual property rights, may respeto ka on the way you communicate online, hindi ka gumagawa ng piracy. So, yun. So, yun ang dapat nating tatandaan. May mga rules na dapat tayong tandaan. No, yung golden rule of computer science and golden rule of computer ethics. Computer ethics is yung ethical standard ng paggamit online o paggamit ng mga computer sources. So, yun lang po.